There's the inlet. No sailboats getting out of there. Looks like it's only about 25 feet or so. Bridge. I think that's what, Boynton Inlet or something? I'll look at it later and see what inlet that is. It's rough out there. I can see it hopping. Hey everybody, Captain Danny here. Got some bad news. The Atlantic Avenue drawbridge is busted, it's broken, and we can't get through there. No sailboats can get through, they can't get it up. They don't have any Viagra, I guess. I don't know. Apparently it's been that way for 2 or 3 days. Funny that, they're just telling everybody now about it. But hopefully some kind of miracle can happen and they can fix it. They must be pretty moronic that they can't fix their own bridge, right? I don't know. Maybe they need a part from China or something. Maybe all our bridges are made in Taiwan or China. Hard to say, right? My only other alternative, and I really don't want to do it, is to go back to Palm Beach. It's about another 20 miles return trip, and out the inlet, and then sail for 50 miles in the open ocean, which has been pretty rough lately. I just don't want to do it. Maybe if it was like a 15 or 20 mile stint, I might, tackle it with the way the ocean's been lately, but storms have been popping up, and I'm just not ready for that type of a voyage. I wanted to go down to the Keys, and go out 2 or 3 miles, 5 miles tops, and then come back to Anchorage or to a nice dock. So like I said, I'm going to sit here, and I've done some fishing today. I caught 3, count them, 3 sail cats. But I did see a Jack Crevalle following it up, trying to eat the bait that was in his mouth. So that's encouraging. I might put a light out tonight and see if I can attract some bait, because I need something better than Spam to fish with. That's what I caught those channel cat or the sail cats on. 3 of them, boom, 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 all on the same piece of bait. I wrapped it up in some cloth fabric, like the stocking hose, and put some chunks of Spam in there, and I caught 3 sail cats, boom, 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 just like that. But I'm still out here in, I think it's called Latana something or other, Latana Beach, There's a little bar over there, plays live music. You can see the drawbridge there. Only 1 sailboat left. Everybody else that had 2 people, that could stay up long enough to make that journey. I might be stressed, make a 50, 60 mile an hour voyage if the wind and the tide are against me. That's just not something I'm ready to do single-handed. So I'm going to hope for another miracle. Save us! Get that bridge open, everybody. Chant, like for Tinkerbell. I believe in bridges. I believe they can fix a bridge. Apparently not. But at any rate, that's what we're going to do. We're going to sit here, we're going to fish, we're going to eat. Might put the dinghy down and row around, get some bait, and get to some fish in here. I know there's fish in here. We just got to get some better bait. Put my tennis shoes out and dried them. They were wet yesterday. I thought I was so smart because they dried in the sun. Well, it rained a few minutes ago. Now they're all wet and stinky again. My best pair of tenny boppers. This is where I'm at. So, thanks for watching. Let's hope that bridge gets fixed. Peace out, everybody.